I feel like it's time essentially to explain what this car is. What I'm gonna be calling the Graveyard Zinky is actually the gold car from, it's actually the gold car from the intro of the channel that you see me drifting around way back, probably 2 years ago. Actually, yeah, it was the beginning of 2018. A guy hit on me in it and the car got completely destroyed. The car it was pretty fucked. They had to I'll show you. So right here there's like a difference in brown. It had to go to a frame straightening shop. Right now we're test fitting the tube front. Anyways, it had to go to a frame fitting shop. The car was an SR20. Obviously the SR20 got pulled, used, sold. That is now in another S13 that I sold to somebody. Maybe I still have that video. I'll put it in right now. But the gold car has sat and sat and sat, and yesterday we went and picked up every single piece for this car except for the two fenders. The only other thing I think I need is like the slave cylinder and some other like bolts and pieces, but the main part of the car is here. We have the kouki front, we have the engine, we have the trans, we have the flywheel, we have the turbo kit, we have the intercooler piping, the intercooler, the tube front. We have everything to put this car back together. I mean, and it's tore apart. The car's rough. I mean, I have all the interior, but you can see where it's sat and got molded. I just jumped off the windows just to get them back up. But the car's sitting on K-Sport coilovers. It has pretty much a full suspension in the back and front. It's honestly my baby. This car went through hell, as did I. But the new build plan is a big turbo KA, which like I said, already have. It's an S13 KA, but I'm gonna mock it up, make it work for S14 chassis, which shouldn't be too difficult. Just change a sensor or two. Now it's got, I took the Sylvia trunk lid off because it had the kouki bump or the kouki spoiler on it. I took that shit off, put us just a normal deck lid back on. It's gonna get not a ducktail, but like a D-Max. I'm gonna put the thing on the top, but all this is gonna be miscolored. It's gonna get the wide body miscolored. And I'm probably gonna just like end up calling it the Ugly Duckling or something, but for right now it's the Graveyard build. This car has it's been through hell and it's gonna be pieced back together. I refuse to let it go. I don't believe in Too Far Gone. We are now looking at day 3 of the 240 build. The tube front is pretty much done, welded up, it's on. We have the KA over here. I've got all the nuts and bolts and pieces to put the trans onto this. So that's about to start happening. And then I'm gonna drop her in. I'm gonna get it bolted up, hopefully today. The car will be sitting here waiting on the shit to come in over the weekend. I may just, I don't know. We'll make this car like a sequence. I thought about doing one big video of like building a 240 in 2 weeks, but I may just do a sequence. I'm not sure. I'm gonna get everything over here gathered up, maybe set up a tripod, and then we're gonna get to work. let me know if you want to see the other projects, the Cutlass, the El Camino, etc., etc. We got a bunch of stuff. We're looking for an LS2 chassis right now, T40. We have the LS2, we have the chassis. We're trying to get the numbers to match so that we can get everything together. Yeah, just make sure to share, like, do what y'all do. I'm gonna do what I do. Graveyard 240, the gold car's back. Deuces.